For starters, I'm going to say it's our team. I've been coming to Aruba and Alhambra now. I've been with them 25 years. So my first visit here was 2001. And I can tell you, Alhambra has changed dramatically since that time. And one of the things I'm proud of that we do as a team is there's a lot of meetings, there's a lot of preparation, there's a lot of planning and strategizing. Every week, our team meets to discuss, what's going on each week and what needs to be done. And then periodically, Jan, our director of operations, he meets with the departments, representatives from each department to find out what can we do better, what challenges are they facing. So there's a lot of strategizing and team building. We don't always agree. Sometimes we have to figure it out and create a path forward. But the nice thing is we just all move forward together. So I really feel like that sort of teamwork is the key to our success. One of the things that I think is important, again, as I said, is working together as a team and lifting each other up. So for instance, this event that's so special to everyone, and particularly to me, seeing a group of people get together and prepare for this event and make it so special, which is celebrating their colleagues, their peers, and lifting each other up, I think that is really important and so special, I think, about Alhambra. This event's so special. I love seeing everyone, at how gorgeous everyone looks and how special the day is, but celebrating them, honoring them for the work that they do, just for being the light that they are within our company to make everyone so successful. That's what's so special to me, is being able to honor them.
Here at Alhambra, they work together. They're one team. And that shows in our day-to-day operations, but especially with projects where all of a sudden a lot of our team is wearing different hats, accomplishing projects and just making sure that it's done and that everybody gives each other the support. And then at the casino floor, it's the same thing. Day-to-day operations, they work together, make sure that things get done. Everybody is totally different, and there is just one goal, and that is that they can work independently, that they feel, that they are here at home, making sure that everybody gets the job done at the same time that they're having fun and give each other the support.